how to download song on Amazon Music. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the process to download song and albums from Amazon Music. So in order to download songs and albums from Amazon Music for offline listening, you'll need to activate or you need to have a subscription of Amazon Music, such as Amazon Music Unlimited or Amazon Prime Music and the Amazon Music app. Here's how you can download music. First of all, you need to use the Amazon Music app on your mobile device. So install and open the application. You can also do it from your Amazon app. That is just by logging into your account, and after that you're going to be directed to the home page. Right on this page, tap on the three dot icon located right over here. So right over here, click on the profile icon located right in between, and it's going to take you to this kind of page. Right over here, go to your membership and subscription. After that, you'll be able to see your membership and all that. Click on Amazon Music and it's going to direct you to the Amazon Music page. After that, you need to use the search bar or browse to the app to find the song or album you want to download. When you find a song or an album you want to download, tap on the three dot icon located next to it. Select download for individual songs and download album for entire albums. And to access your downloaded music, go to My Music or Library section of the app. Look for the downloaded or offline music section. Your downloaded song will be listed there. Now you can listen to downloaded song even when you're offline without using your mobile data. In this way, you can download songs on Amazon Music. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.